Welcome to Best Reviews, your ultimate destination for honest and in-depth product recommendations. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best sewing machines of 2024, perfect for crafters, hobbyists, and professionals alike. If you're looking to upgrade your sewing game or find the ideal machine to bring your creative projects to life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the latest and greatest products. And remember, you can find links to all the sewing machines we'll feature today right in the description box below. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the FEIYUE 320 full-size sewing machine. This beginner-friendly machine is perfect for novices, with adjustable sewing speeds ranging from 20 to 800 stitches per minute, helping you ease into the craft. It offers 25 built-in stitches, including decorative and stretch stitches, making it versatile for various projects. Next up is the Janome sewing machine, a computerized marvel that offers 30 built-in stitches, including a memory buttonhole feature. With its user-friendly buttons for reverse stitching, locking, and needle positioning, sewing becomes a breeze. The LCD display and sliding speed control allow for precise adjustments, while the drop feed function caters to quilting enthusiasts. At number 3, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4432. A powerhouse designed for heavy-duty projects. Its enhanced motor and piercing power allow you to sew through multiple layers and thick fabrics with ease. With an impressive speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, you can breeze through large projects. Coming in second is the Brother GX 37 sewing machine, a versatile choice for all skill levels. This machine boasts 37 built-in stitches, including an auto-size buttonhole for perfect finishing. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin simplify setup, saving you valuable time. With 6 included sewing feet, a free arm for detailed work, and an instructional DVD, this machine is ideal for everything from everyday sewing to advanced quilting. Plus, Brother's lifetime technical support ensures peace of mind for years to come. Finally, our top pick is the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 sewing machine. A model that truly lives up to its name. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures long-lasting stability, while its powerful motor delivers an incredible speed of 1,100 stitches per minute. Whether you're working on denim, canvas, or other thick materials, this machine can handle it all. The one-step buttonhole feature makes button sewing a simple task, and the reverse lever ensures secure stitching. Its top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover and built-in needle threader makes setup quick and easy, letting you focus on your creative projects.